Yo, today we go from a normal smile to a white and straight smile. We have a wise lady looking to improve her smile. Another dentist many years ago had already placed veneers on her teeth, but the two front teeth were never straight. So our wise lady was never happy, okay? We are replacing all the previous veneers and veneering 8 lower teeth as well. Our patient also wanted to show more teeth when she smiles, so we decided to lengthen the upper front teeth to improve the height-width proportions of the teeth. Patient was happy with my smile design, so I prepared the teeth and ordered the veneers to be made. We tried on the real porcelain glass ceramic veneers. Our wise lady was super happy, so I cemented the veneers on. All 16 veneers, just like that. So, here is the before and after. Here is a mirror reflection view of the upper teeth, showing the old veneers replaced with the new veneers and a crown here. Here is a mirror reflection of the lower teeth, all 8 veneers, super clean and smooth. Most importantly, we have a happy patient, smiling with confidence. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow. Smile Makeover, Volume 39 with Dr. Richard.